Casella partners with UVM to launch new Recycling Research Center. A new Recycling Research Center at the University of Vermont, UVM, will be established with a $1.5 million donation from Casella Waste Systems. The firm will fund its first research center, the planned Casella Center for Circular Economy and Sustainability. The center will be housed in the UVM Rubenstein School of Environment and Natural Resources. Professor Eric Roy of UVM, an environmental scientist and engineer, will serve as the director of the center. Leading scientists, engineers, and specialists in materials management will be gathered at the center. It will carry out research, hold workshops, and give talks on a range of subjects, such as sustainable waste and materials management. It wants to lead the world in developing sustainable waste and materials management research solutions. According to UVM Interim President Patricia Prelock, the collaboration will combine Casella's industry expertise with its top-notch researchers and environmental leadership to provide useful recycling solutions. The chairman and CEO, John Casella, stated that the company is excited to continue its journey with UVM and that sustainable materials management has been the cornerstone of its operations for the previous 50 years. Thanks for tuning in to RecyclingMonster News, your go-to source for the latest updates in recycling, scrapyards, and market prices. Looking for a scrapyard near you? Need to stay updated on industry news or market trends? Visit RecyclingMonster.com to explore all our services, check prices for your scrap, and we can even buy your scrap car. Like, share, and comment to keep the recycling conversation alive. Together, let's make a difference for our planet. See you next time.